Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute and adorable Valentine's Day inspired wreath. What you would need is a wreath ring, and this is just a small 14-inch ring that I got from the dollar store. You'll need long 21-inch Deco mesh and also shorter Deco mesh. This is 6 inches. Again, this is from the dollar store. And then you'll need ribbon, whatever size and pattern you desire, and also Chanel stems. Oh, and also you also need something really cute for the center. I got these really cute glitter hearts from the dollar store, and they're just going to be my center. Or you don't have to have a center, whatever you choose. So the first thing you're going to do is place your Chanel stems around your wreath ring. One in the center, two on the outer ring. And I have a video that shows how to specifically place the Chanel stems. The video is more in depth. I'll put that link down in the description box below. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the stems on this wreath ring. Alright, so this is what it should look like when you're all done. It looks a little chaotic, but don't worry. Just check out the video to see exactly how to place the Chanel stems. Alright, so once you have the Chanel stems placed properly, we'll go ahead and prep the rest of our supplies. So with the short Deco mesh, we are actually going to cut it into maybe 7 or 8 length strips. And we're going to do that with all 3 of the colors that we chose. So once you've cut all of your strips, they should look like stacks like this. You see? And so I have a stack for each color. You have all your stacks. You're going to just peel off a layer. You're going to roll it. It kind of already rolls in itself, so you just have to roll it and give it a little squeeze so it doesn't unravel on you. And you're just going to roll all of them before you start, because this is going to be the easiest way. So we're going to roll all of these. Alright, so I rolled all of them and just put them into the separate stacks. They may unravel a little bit. That's okay. You'll just roll them again when you get ready to place them on your wreath. Now, we're going to set this to the side and start on the wreath with the larger Deco mesh. So, we have the wreath ring. Just going to unravel the mesh a little bit. And what you're going to do, you'll notice that it starts to curve. This is the end. You can see you want to curve it inward, just like that, and then gather the edge, just like this. And then you can start on the inner ring, the outer ring, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to start, let's see. I'm just going to start right here on the outer ring. So I'll go all the way around on the outer ring and then come back around for the inner ring. And then this just bothers me a little bit, so I'm just going to cut it. There we go. Alright, so you're going to place it down, and then you're going to twist it into place. Just like that. And again, see, I'm working on the outer. So the next place I'm going to twist it, it's going to be right here. And then I'll go all the way around, and then the next place will be right here. So we'll do a couple together. So you have the first one down. Just going to grab and make a little poof. And be careful, these do move around a little bit. So you make your poof. Then you just twist it around just like that. And then when we get done, we'll be able to separate it and make it a little bit wider. Just like that. And then you pull again, make a poof, come around to the next one. Place it in and twist it. Just like that. You see? So we're going to go all the way around on the outer ring and all the way around on the inner ring. Just like that. So once you've completed the outer ring, you're going to just bring the deco mesh to the inner ring and then just go all the way around, just like you did on the outer ring. So you'll just pull, poof, and then come to the inner ring. You see that? So see, this is where it was, and then I'll come to this ring and do the exact same thing. Just going to twist it down. And then continue on around. Alright, so this is what it should look like when you're all done. And then if it looks a little flat, just, you know, fluff out the poofs just to make them nice and full. You can fluff out the poofs a little bit. Just like that. And adjust it however you see fit. There we go. Alright, now the fun part. We are going to add the deco mesh. The smaller deco mesh pieces. And the ribbon. The ribbon I cut about 6 inches as well. And I ribbon cut each edge, which I have a video that I'll put the link to show you exactly how to do that. You're going to take white, red, and pink. And I try to crisscross them a little bit. I don't want them lying on top of each other because some of them may hide the others. And I want all of them to be seen. So I have the 3 like that, crisscross. And then I'm going to take, let's go with the pink ribbon. And then I'm just going to squish all of it together, just like that. And then I'm going to find one of my Chanel stems, untwist it, because you don't want to just stack it on top of each other because it'll just get taller and not fuller. So you want to, hold this really tight. And you want to untwist the Chanel stem. Place your bundle there. And twist it back. About 2 twists should be enough. Just like that. Just like that. And we're going to go all the way around. So let me show you one more. And these are just being rolled. Just like this. So, white, pink, and I try to alternate a little bit. So we'll go white, pink, and red this time. And red ribbon. Again, squish it together. Scrunch it right there in the center. Just like that. Then you're going to find the next Chanel stem. Untwist it. Place your bundle and twist it back. So be careful. Alright, so I have that untwist. I'm just going to place this and twist it back. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to keep going all the way around. Alrighty, so I am all done. I have my ribbon and my deco mesh, and I just placed it randomly throughout the wreath. You can add more if you like, less. This is just your chance to have fun with it and do whatever you'd like. So, as you can see, the Chanel stems are just sticking up. You can either tuck them under and hide them on the back, or you can spiral them and just make them part of the decoration. If you use colors that don't coincide with your color scheme, then I would say tuck them. But since the pink goes in nicely, we're going to just roll them and make them decor. You can use anything. I'm just going to use scissors since they're handy. And you're just going to roll, 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 roll. And come out and you have a nice little spiral. So I'm going to do that. You see? Let me see if I can show you. Cute little spiral. Or again, you can tuck it, whichever you choose. Alright, so I am all done. It looks nice and pretty. Last thing I'm going to do, just to add an extra little touch, take the really pretty glitter hearts I have. I'm just going to hot glue them together and then glue them to the center. Just to add a little extra prettiness to it. You could leave it like this and it look really great, or you can keep going. I'm just going to add the extra little touch. Alright, so I just hot glued all of the hearts together. Just something pretty and glittery for the center. You can do whatever you'd like. If you want a Happy Valentine's Day sign or something like that, that is perfectly fine. So you're just going to take it and then it's going to go right in the center. You can hot glue it down, or you can use chenille stems and glue them to the back and then twist it directly to the wreath, to the ring. We are all done. So cute, simple and pretty, and inexpensive. Almost all of these items, minus the large deco mesh, came from the dollar store. So you can make a nice, pretty, inexpensive wreath.